Want to track every action across your Endpoint Central server in real time? Let's connect Endpoint Central to Elasticsearch using Syslog and make it happen. To begin with, first ensure Logstash and Kibana are installed and running. Logstash is used to collect Syslog data and deliver it to Elasticsearch. Kibana helps transform those logs into clear, powerful visuals. Let's begin with the Syslog configuration. To do that, head over to your Logstash installation, then navigate to the config folder. Now, open the Syslog configuration file in a text editor. Configure the input and output details as shown. In the input section, configure the protocol. For faster delivery, go with UDP. For reliable delivery, go with TCP. Enter the Syslog port and ensure that the port is open. Set the type as Syslog. In the output configuration, enter your Elasticsearch server host, then provide the Elasticsearch authentication details, such as username and password. Configure the index that will be used to store your Syslog data. Save the configuration. Then, restart your Logstash server. Your Elasticsearch server is now ready to receive Syslog data. Now it's time to configure in Endpoint Central. Let's log in to Endpoint Central with admin privileges. Navigate to Admin, then Integrations. Select Syslog. Enter the IP or host name of your Elasticsearch server. Select the configured protocol, TCP or UDP. If TLS is enabled on your Elasticsearch Syslog input, choose TLS mode, then enter the port. For instant alerts for Syslog posting failure, you can add an email or mobile app push notifications. Now, click Save. If your Elasticsearch server uses a self-signed certificate, Endpoint Central will prompt for verification. Trust the certificate to proceed. Allow the consent to share the action log viewer data with your Elasticsearch server. Once done, you'll see the message as Syslog integration is successful. You can monitor the connection status and last log transmission anytime from the summary page. To search your Syslog data in the Elasticsearch server, log in to the Kibana tool. Next, open Elasticsearch. Navigate to Index Management. Find your index specified during configuration. Then click the index. Here you can view all your action logs. From raw action logs to powerful insights, this is more than just forwarding data. It's control, it's clarity, it's Endpoint Central and Elasticsearch better together.